Hello everyone, this is Brandon Garrett from Bent Oak Capital with a special market update this month. Given recent events over the past 2 weeks, today we are focusing our commentary on the election outcome and what that could mean for the markets. Please stay tuned at the end of this video for a required disclosure statement. As a result of the Senate runoffs in Georgia, Democrats are poised to take control of the U.S. Senate, which would give them a majority in both houses of Congress. This will shift the policy outlook moderately to the left, but majorities are still razor thin, giving moderates on either side heavy influence. We also envision a potential move toward increased bipartisanship, which may help bring more clarity to policy in 2021. Assuming the Georgia Senate races play out in line with the current vote count, Democrats will soon have control of both chambers of Congress as well as the presidency, at least until midterm elections in 2022. Historically, which party occupied the White House or controlled Congress hasn't had a meaningful impact on broad stock market performance. Policy does matter, but larger economic forces are much more influential, and businesses are very good at adapting to different political environments. Having an environment where it's easier to start or run a business can make a big difference in people's lives, but the policy impact on markets tends to be more focused. Markets historically have seemed to slightly prefer divided government. At the same time, however, market performance when Democrats have held the presidency and controlled both the House and the Senate has been in line with longer-term historical market returns. The distribution of power in Washington, D.C. by itself does not mean a lot, especially since voters have the chance to change the balance of power every 2 years. The most important shift in policy expectations following the Georgia runoffs are around taxes, regulation, and stimulus prospects. Business taxes will almost certainly increase due to the new makeup of Congress. When an increase is imposed, the hit to corporate profits potentially could be around 5%. A Democratic majority in the Senate will also have regulatory implications. Environmental regulations and labor standards probably will be a focus, likely reversing many Trump administration's deregulatory efforts. Democratic control of the Senate also will make it easier to pass additional stimulus measures, although again, a slim majority may limit the scope. Passing some kind of infrastructure bill where there are some areas of bipartisan support also may become more likely. Markets are likely to applaud potential economic benefits of additional stimulus in the near term, but it also will push deficits higher and may weigh on the economy over the longer run. The overall impact of the before and after of the Georgia elections likely will be mixed, one that will probably be small compared to more important market drivers, such as the effectiveness of COVID-19 vaccine rollout efforts and Federal Reserve policy. Higher taxes likely are the most market negative takeaway of the Georgia runoffs, but there may be some economic offset from improved fiscal stimulus prospects, which could spur economic growth and support overall sales growth. We are only a week into 2021, and so far it has felt much like 2020, with an unexpected political environment. The Georgia Senate races delivered markets a surprise, and the events of January 6th were both shocking and saddening, independent of policy or party. The election outcomes have led us to adjust some of our 2021 market views. Politics will look different than expected in December, and the policy outlook has changed. But the most important market driver likely will be the global response to COVID-19 and the momentum of the still young economic recovery. Thanks for tuning into this month's video. If you would like further information on our outlook for 2021, please register for our 2021 Market Outlook webinar on January 19th at noon. You can find the registration link on our website under the events page.